In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your images and videos on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Very, very simple and easy. You don't need to download any external app. So now let's move to our gallery. Good. And this is our gallery. So what we are going to do is we are going to hide these two images. I long press and I long press. Good. After that, we hide the video too. So what I'm going to do is I tap on the more here, the options here, more, and move to private album. Tap on the move. And I move them from the gallery. You see the images vanish. So to do this, you should make sure your phone has at least a password on it. You can have your face recognition. You can have a fingerprint. I think I've covered all that on my channel, so you can check them out on my Galaxy A17 playlist. So now let's say I've hopped on the gallery and I want to get access to that two images. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on the menu here at the bottom. Good. At the menu, you can see private album. Tap on private album. And now how am I going to unlock my phone? I don't know whether the screen is blank, but I'm using my fingerprint. Good. And now it opens. Good. And private album, you find the two images here. I don't know whether the screen is showing since that's private. So if you want to hide the video, to long press it, menu, you move it to a private album. It should vanish. And now we tap here to unlock it too as well. So that's it. Very, very simple. In this case, if the person has access to your lock screen pin or password, you can get access to view that. Yeah. So if they don't have access to that, you can just hide all of this stuff on your mobile phone. Very much simple and easy. So if you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.